Hey, it's Coach Colin at Centerline Fitness and Martial Arts. I'm here to show you part 2 of the side plank series, knee bends. It's going to start out from the end of part 1 in a plank position. So I'm going to set up in my plank position here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend my knees, pull myself into my legs, pull my hips towards my heels, try to stay low, head between my arms. And then I extend my hips, extend my knees to return to the plank position. And we typically do this 5 times. So I'm going to bend my legs, pull myself hips towards my heels, stay low, extend my legs, back to the plank. So when I do this, my feet are about hip distance apart, and I'm allowing my knees to go out to create some space for my torso between my legs. And if that's comfortable for your legs, you can do that. If you'd rather keep your knees straight in line with your hips and you have the mobility to do it that way, that's fine too. But I like to flare my knees out. So I'll do it one more time. And I'd like to emphasize that I'm not pushing myself back with my arms, but I'm using my toes and my legs to pull myself into this position. And then I extend my legs to straighten back into plank. So that's part 2 of the side plank series, knee bends.